Grill in Rawai. We have been eaten here before and we were really happy about it. So let's see if this brunch meal is as good as the other ones. So this place is a bit on the expensive side, but the food has been really good. So I would say it's worth it. And we just got the food and as you can see, it looks pretty good. So now for the food test, and I will be back when I finish this one. So halfway through, and the food here is delicious, period. Wow. As you can see, we are almost all done. The food is great. That's, you know, no doubt about it. The grill is called Costa Grill, and it's in Rawai Beach. We will have the link in the description, of course. And we highly recommend this place. Pasta was, as usual, al dente. You can choose from 3 different pastas. So you can have spaghetti, penne or tagliatelle. Any of the pasta dishes here. Amazing. That's all I can say. This pasta was 250 baht. Annika's melon and parmesan was 330 baht. So it's not the cheapest place, but if you're here on vacation and you just want to have, you know, some good food, this is the place to be. And as you can see, I really love tomatoes. The view is nice, minus the car, but you know, in Thailand, so we didn't have cars. And it's a nice street. The only thing I'm not 100% happy about it is the looks of it. It's for my tastes or personal preferences, it's too modern, it's too Western. But that won't affect the food, nor will the noise. So that won't affect the food, but it's I don't know. Usually when you get in a place that's really posh, nice looking in Thailand, the staff is very unhappy for some reason. Maybe it's management, maybe something else, but they are usually very unhappy, and they don't smile, and then they're just there to service you. And I like the old Thailand better, when Thai people can be Thai people, and not Western.
Gud, de har ju brûlé, kräm och Nutella crepes och kuffis med chokladsås. Vad ska jag ta för något? Kan vi gå hit ikväll också?
Det märks att det är semmeldags och hon inte har fått någon semmel än.
Nej, det här får bli mina semlor, eller hur? Ja, och de har chokladkaka.
Och så ska du en av varje?
Men god vad mycket gott de har. Oh, shit. Men de har också den här kolonell. Det är lemonsorbet med vodka. Ja, ni får se vad jag beställer.
And of course Annika found the dessert menu, and I'm guessing she's gonna have one of these things on this menu.
Everything I want. No.
And some iced coffee was ordered, of course. And Annika's dessert is coming very soon.
Crepes, Nutella. Yes. Go.
And as you can see, the dessert has arrived. And are we happy?
Yes. It's mine. Only mine.
Thank God for that. Today's phrase is, so say you want to ask for a beer in Thailand, like a Shang beer, and you want a big beer, a large beer, then you can say beer Shang Yai. Beer Shang Yai. Yai means big. Shang actually means elephant, but if you say beer before they know what it is, they usually know anyway, but sometimes they look at you, you want a big elephant, and you know, even if you're in a bar. If you want a small beer, you can actually have beer Shang Noi.